Hello guys, this is an intro video and an unboxing for Battle of Beasts. This is a trading card game I've made on the Gamecrafter, and well, I'm just doing an unboxing of the first ever booster pack and booster box, so let's get right into this. First of all, we have the booster pack. This is set 1, Wrath and Chaos. So this has 10 commons, 6 uncommons and 2 rares or higher. So let's just get this packaging off. Don't want to damage the packaging too much. There we go. So to start off, we have Manticore Weed, Fluffpuff, King of the Wild, the Dab, Planetoid Dwarfus, Killer Insect, our first rare, Self-Destruct, Lightning Strike, Planetoid Orbring, Enchanted Armour, another Planetoid Dwarfus, Catapult, Possessed Armory as our second rare, Restraining Chains, Threat of a Fiend, Luna, Shockwave and Wu-Tag Bug. So that was our first pack of 18. Some alright cards, nothing too spectacular, no ultra rares or legendaries. So now let's move on to the booster box. So this is it. This has 60 commons, 36 uncommons and 12 rares or higher. I see that, and I forgot to edit out these cut lines, but on the final game it'll be changed. So let's just make sure to preserve the box. Here we are. So first we start off with an Attackbot D as our first rare, Last Resort as our first ultra rare, Land of Beasts as a legendary, Gremlin Dragon as another rare, Planetoid Nepranus, Planetoid Orbring, Lightning Strike, another Lightning Strike, Death of a Dragon, Chest Tortoise, two Bricknacks, a Constricting Vines, a White Wolf Warrior, a third Bricknack, Archfiend of Gaha, Death of a Dragon, Beast of the Deep. So nothing amazing except for our first legendary card. Legendary card I really want to get is the God card, Revenant of the Ruthless, but we'll see. So we got Thunderclap, Gemino is our next rare, Skeletal Pegasus, the Possessed Spear, our first possessed weapon, Sacred Spirits, another Dab, another Gemino, White Wolf Warrior, the Fangdactyl, Empowering Roar, the Zigzag Pair, card number 69, Cubulon, another one of my favourites, with a mighty 2200 defence. What's the focus? Which it doesn't. The Possessed Scythe, the Wu-Tag Bug, Planetoid Terror, Cannon Master, very useful card, Power Fist, Amateur Firecaster, another Possessed Armory, and another ultra rare, an Impossible Victory, Stalagmite Demon the Bone as our next ultra rare, and Tribute of Enemy, I think that is our last rare, Survival of the Fittest, Planetoid Humongous, the Dragon Dactyl, Thunder Giant, a fourth Bricknack, Planetoid Humongous, another Planetoid Humongous, Trap Hole, Lightning Strike, Galaxy Expansion, and Dragonzactyl. So for the next quarter of this booster box, we have another Chest Tortoise, Beast of Red, the Possessed Spear, the Wolf Warrior, Enchanted Armor, Gargly, Possessed Scythe, another 2 Planetoid Dwarfus, another Gemino, Honey Phantom, another Wutag Bug, Solidify, Life Force Poison, another Gemino, another Amateur Firecaster, Cannon Master, Possessed Axe, Thunderclap, Amnesia, Enchanted Armor, our Mass Strike Ultra Rare, Darkstar Devourer, a legendary card, the Possessed Behemoth of Weaponry as our next Ultra Rare, Mass Extinction, one of my favourite artworks, as another rare, Planetoid Orbring, Laser Cannon Master, Dragon's Treasure, sorry for the cut there, so we had Blizzard Axe, King of the Wild, Mass Shielding, Revenge from the Grave, Dragonzactyl, Graveyard Guardian, Exchange, Gryo the Winged Beast, Trap Hole, the Skull Dragon, Beast of the Deep, Gargly, Sacred Spirits, Sticky Web, Enchanted Armor, another Gemino, Amnesia, Renewable Resources, Shockwave, Hermes Jr., The Dab, Beast of Red, another Stalagmite Demon of Bone, Thunderclap, Possessed Crossbow, Possessed Sword, Shockwave Dragon, Life Force Poison, and a Honey Phantom. So that was our 106 cards. Yeah, 106, yeah. So we got quite a few good commons. Still, there was one card I really wanted. It was a common, didn't get it, which is a bit of a shame. But we got a few pretty cool rares. And I'm pretty sure there's more than 12 rares here. So there might be a problem with the website. So I'll have to give that a look. So we got Ultra Rare, Stalagmite Demon of Bone, Rare Gemino, Rare Mass Extinction, an Ultra Rare Possessed Behemoth of Weaponry, a Legendary Darkstar Devourer, a Ultra Rare Mass Strike, 2 Rare Geminos, a Rare Tribute of Your Enemy, another Stalagmite Demon of Bone, an Impossible Victory, Possessed Armory, 2 more Gemino, Gremlin Dragon, Land of Beasts, Last Resort, Attack Bot D, another Possessed Armory, and a Self-Destruct. So that was our cards. So thanks for watching that unboxing video of the first ever pack and box of Battle with Beasts. So this is set 1, there's 130 cards. I'm working on set 2. And this channel I'm going to do unboxings for other TCGs like Chaos Galaxy, which I'll be uploading in a few days. There'll be like weekly updates on how set 2 is going for this game. I'll be doing duels with my friend after I teach him how to play. And that's about it. That's what the channel's going to be like. It's going to be pretty good. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed the video. And remember to battle with beasts.